In this training video, we'll walk you through the tasks to do section, ensuring you get the most out of this powerful tool. Let's dive in. Here, you'll find two columns, one for to-dos and one for overdue tasks. It's your go-to place for staying organized and on top of your workload. Now let's talk about filtering. In the top right corner, you'll notice a filter icon. By clicking on it, and you can easily change your search criteria to find exactly what you're looking for. The best part, your filter preferences stay in place even after you log out. Need to start fresh? No problem. Right next to the search button, you'll see a reset button. Just click it, and your filter is wiped clean. Completing a task is a breeze. Just click the checkbox next to the individual task. If there are subtasks, scroll down to check those off too. Add any necessary notes or upload images or PDFs. And don't forget to type your initials if required. Now you have two options. Mark the task as completed if you're done, or hit save to come back to it later. UptimeHealth puts you in control of your workflow. Lastly, for a quick summary, click the down arrow on the task. It will expand, revealing the full details, giving you the insights you need at a glance. And that's it. You're now equipped to navigate the tasks to do section like a pro. UptimeHealth, empowering you to manage your tasks efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching.